Dear students of 11th class, our today's topic of botany is anatomy of isobilateral leaf. Isobilateral leaf, so far as this leaf is concerned, we simply take here a monocot leaves. The isobilateral leaves usually do not show a distinction into petiole and limina. The leaf base is commonly sheathing, that is covering the stem partially or completely. The venation in isobilateral leaves, it is a parallel type of venation, so we take it as monoclete. Both the surfaces can face the sun. Therefore, the two surfaces are equally green. In case of isobilateral leaf, the two surfaces are equally green. So it is Greek word isobilateral. Iso means equal, bi means two, lateral means side. So and these two surfaces are equally green because they face equally the sun. The internal structure of this isobilateral leaf is concerned does not show much differentiation on upper and lower sides. That means there is no difference or distinction between upper and lower sides. So far as this isobilateral leaf is concerned, the internal structure is concerned of isobilateral or monoclonal leaf shows the distinct layers of epidermis, mesophyll cells, and vascular bundles with following features. So there are three main regions. First is epidermis, second is mesophyll cells, and third is vascular bundles. First, we will take epidermis. Epidermis is a single layered, present on both surfaces, and has a cuticle and stomata on both surfaces. So far as this layer is concerned, there is epidermis of this epidermis is on both sides. That is upper epidermis on the upper side and the lower epidermis on the lower side. Cuticulized, it means that it has cuticles, cuticle presence on both the surfaces. In case of this, isobilateral leaf, and stomata on both surface. Stomata. When there are stomata present here, it is stomata is present on both surfaces. So such type of leaf, it is called embostomatic. It is embostomatic. It is composed of compactly arranged oval or barrel shaped thin walled parenchymatous cells. A few cells in the upper epidermis may become large, less cuticularized, linear shaped, and found in groups called motor cells or bulliform cells. So far as in the upper epidermis, there are some cells which are much large in size. These cells are known as bulliform cells. So far as these cells are concerned, they are known as bulliform cells. Second part of this isobilateral leaf, it is a mesophyll. Mesophyll is the ground tissue that is present between the two epidermis layers. It is not differentiated into pulsed and spongy parenchyma and contains chloroplast. So far as this mesophyll is concerned, it is mesophyll from between upper epidermis and lower epidermis. This all is known as mesophyll tissue. So in case of dorsal leaf, there is difference differentiation of mesophyll cells into pulsed and spongy parenchyma, whereas in this isobilateral leaf, there is no such differentiation. They are same from upper epidermis to the lower epidermis. Such a region between upper epidermis and lower epidermis, it is known as mesophyll region or mesophylls. It is composed of cells that are almost spherical, oval, or angular with irregular intercellular spaces. Mesophyll tissues are not found in the mid-vein region. In mid-vein region, circular chymatose cells extend from the vascular bundles to the lower and upper epidermis. The extension of circular chyma is called bundle sheath cells. So far, the extension of these is concerned. So far as the extension of these circular chyma cells is concerned, it is found in some places. These extensions are known as bundle sheath extensions. Number third region of this is it is vascular bundle. Vascular bundles are of two types. Small bundles are abundant and large bundles are found in between. So far as in this isobilateral vascular bundle, there are vascular bundles, and there are two types of small vascular bundles and large vascular bundles. Large vascular bundles are found between the small vascular bundles. The bundles are conjoined, the collateral closed, and each covered by parenchymatous bundle sheath cells. So far as these vascular bundles are concerned, they are covered by the parenchymatous cells. These vascular bundles, they are covered by these parenchymatous cells. The or large vascular bundles, and there are also small vascular bundles. Small vascular bundles present in case of isobilateral levers. And the large bundles have distinct phloem towards the lower epidermis and xylem towards the. In case of this, there is phloem and xylem, but large bundles have distinct. In case of large, there is phloem towards the lower. In case of large vascular bundles, there is phloem towards the lower side and xylem towards the upper side. So far as this is concerned, and this vascular bundles, xylem is on the upper side and phloem is on the lower side. In case of large vascular bundles, for xylem upper side and phloem on the lower side. In case of large vascular bundles, so far as this xylem is concerned, xylem consists of two pitted oval metaxylem. In between them, tracheids are also found. Xylem parenchyma less numerous. Protoxylem is represented by a lysogenous cavity. Here, protoxylem, there are two types of xylem: protoxylem, metaxylem. Protoxylem in his case, lysogenous cavity is represented by protoxylem. Phloem has sieve tube and component cells. In this case, there are phloem, and it is represented by sieve tubes and component cells. The small bundles are surrounded by individual sheaths and contain non-distinct and less developed phloem and xylem. So far as the small scale is concerned, there is no distinction of xylem and phloem in case of this. In case of low vascular bundles, there is no distinction. It is perhaps low vascular bundle. There is no distinction of xylem and phloem in isobilateral levers. So far as dear students, today it is sufficient. Thank you.